Hi crafty friends! Welcome to your exclusive members-only Thankful DIY sign kit. Inside you'll find everything you need: a wood backing, paints, Mod Podge, paintbrushes, cardstock, laser cutouts, and fun add-on options like bows, greenery, and paint droppers. Start by painting your laser cutouts. We encourage crafters to craft their way. With a wide variety of color options, you're guaranteed to find a color palette that's totally you. Once finished, set them aside to dry for 10 to 20 minutes. While that's drying, prep your board by brushing an even layer of Mod Podge across the entire surface. Next, center your cardstock onto the board. Then smooth it out with your fingers or a flat edge tool. Work from the center outward to prevent air bubbles. Then, seal with a thin layer of Mod Podge on the top. Before the Mod Podge fully dries, brush an additional thin layer of Mod Podge onto the back of your cutouts. Arrange and press your laser cuts into place. Then brush an additional layer of Mod Podge to seal all the letters into place. Allow to dry fully for 10 to 20 minutes. Finish off your sign with greenery for a custom look. And that's it. Your thankful sign is ready to enjoy. Thanks for crafting with us. Share your creation and tag us at Crazy Craft Creations. We love to see what our fellow crafters create. If you love this DIY kit, you can find more like this one on our website at www.crazycraftcreations.com. Happy crafting!